So what is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. This is my first video. So in this video I will gonna play some Minecraft. So this is the last video that I'm gonna do in Minecraft that I have a version 1.1.0. So I'm gonna update my Minecraft back into the latest update. So yeah, so let's get started. So I'm pretty lonely right now, and later on someone will gonna join me at my world. Oh yeah, so I'm lonely right now, right? So today I will gonna teach, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to create the rain arrow at Minecraft. So yeah, that's flat. So yeah, so please be started. So the items that you are gonna need is the stone, the bucket, TNT, of course the bow, and what else are we gonna need, and some redstone, and that's it. So first you will gonna make a box like this. 1 2 3 4 5. Wait, I forgot something. Button, of course, to activate this redstone. So another again in a 5. So of course you have already one in it. So 1 2 3 4 5. Just do exactly the same at other. So you will gonna do it like a pyramid, just like that. And the last one is at the bottom or in the middle part. And then you will gonna put the redstone in it to activate the TNTs that you're gonna put. And then you're gonna put some water, just like that. And you will gonna put a redstone at the top, and that's it. You're done. So you will gonna, oh, not you're not yet done. You're gonna put some TNT, and you will gonna shoot more some arrows. So you will need to shoot right here to know if the arrows are gone. So let's shoot, and it's really pretty rain arrow. Let's fill up this with more arrows. Oh gosh, I forgot to put the button. If that arrow gone, I will gonna stop shooting. So that's the point. We're just gonna shoot. Okay, the arrow's gone, and press this button, and you'll get. Woo! Oh my gosh! Oh, you're nearly sheep. You're nearly you gonna die. Bang! And also you too, donkey. You're gonna die. Die right now. So if you have a war battle and there's so many people getting at your base, just make a rain arrow cannon, and you will gonna be victory at your war. So let's try it again. So also you can make this at a TNT cannon. So the only thing you will gonna need is this. You're gonna put it right there and not there. And also you will gonna need activation. Oopsie, sorry. And you're gonna just like that. Boom. So that is it, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. And wait, so thanks guys for watching, and please subscribe also to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, because this is my first time videoing at this channel. So yeah, be sure to click that like button and also comment what I'm gonna do next in my tutorial video. So bye bye guys.